Hey guys, today I'm going to give you some winter rave outfit ideas, specifically New Year's Eve. Just a disclaimer, I have actually been to Countdown 3 times now. I think it's been 3, either this will be my 3rd or my 4th. I do have some experience going to it. It is a rave in Southern California, so I would say it's maybe more warmer than a winter rave in other areas. I think the lows are like 40 or something, which, I don't know, depending on who you are, it's either cold or not that cold, but that's kind of what I'm going to be talking about, some different outfit options. First things first, I'm the realist. This is like just outfit ideas. I'm not saying that this is what everyone wears or this is what you need to wear, blah, blah, blah. You can wear whatever you want to wear as long as you are confident and you're feeling yourself, you're gonna shine like a diamond. So you can wear anything you want to wear. It's not even about the outfits. These are just my ideas. These are some things I have worn in the past 2 winter raves and they've worked out well for me. So I just want to share my experience with that. And also, like, another thing, if this is like your first time going to Countdown or another like winter rave, I'm gonna straight up tell you that people still wear like what they would wear to a summer rave. Like, little to no clothing still. Like, it doesn't matter that it's winter or it's cold out, they don't care. So if you want to wear like a little outfit, or like I'm wearing a bodysuit, feel free to do that, because I guarantee you won't be alone. There's going to be a bunch of girls and guys like just wearing what they would wear to a summer rave. So there's that. And then there's people that are going to be layered up and like it's actually cold and wear jackets and stuff. So like you're gonna get a combination of both. So the first thing I would suggest wearing if you don't know what to wear at all is like a furry or a fuzzy jacket. This one's a vest. These are just really fun to wear, especially for a winter rave, because like I've always wanted to wear these in the summer or like even nocturnal, which is kind of like late summer, but it always gets really hot, so I never had the chance. But a winter rave is perfect for this because it's actually cold out and it will actually keep you warm. So not only are they cute, but it's functional too. So I recommend a furry or fuzzy coat. There's a bunch of these for really cheap at H&M and Forever 21 right now, so I'm sure you could find something. Also, like if it does get too hot for you, you can just wear it off the shoulders and it still looks trendy, you know what I mean? It's a look too. So that's fun also. I like doing that. It does though, let me tell you, the real tea. It does get hot, especially when you're inside like the tents and stuff and inside the crowds. You're gonna sweat if you're wearing one of these. I'm just speaking straight up because I've done it in the past. The only thing it is good for is like waiting in line to get in because it's really cold, and then walking like to the bathrooms and to get drinks. Perfect for that. It's cold. And then leaving the venue at like 2 a.m. This will come in handy. It is gonna be hot inside the actual venue, wherever you're going. So just a tip. Maybe you don't want to get it if you get really warm. I don't know. But I really like them. My next outfit idea is something sparkly. Because at any rave, you want to sparkle, you want to shine. And it's New Year's Eve. This is like the biggest party ever. So I recommend wearing something glittery, sequiny, or sparkly. Are those words? I'm not sure. I had this romper that I wore last New Year's Eve. I ended up cutting it in half, wearing it as a 2-piece outfit to EDC. And then I kept the shorts and I've worn them ever since. They're just a staple to my going out outfit because they are a statement piece. They're honestly so cool, and you could pair it with any basic top and it looks like you dressed up. So that's why I love them, and I recommend something with sequins or sparkles for New Year's Eve because there's gonna be a lot of lights and you're gonna glow, and it's just a fun statement thing to have. Also, it's a good thing for like if you're into taking Snapchat videos or Instagram videos or any videos on your phone. Like when the lights hit you and you take a picture, you're like in it, it looks awesome. Like you shine, you sparkle, it looks really cool. And kind of like a last idea I have for you guys is something simple. Like let's say you don't have time to shop or you don't have money to shop, whatever your scenario is, a bodysuit. You can dress up or dress down a bodysuit, and it's like something every girl probably has, I would think. What I would recommend for a bodysuit, like this one, is maybe booty shorts if you're into that look. Those are really comfortable and fun for me. I don't know what you're into, but that's an outfit option. Another one is if you want to be more covered and maybe more conservative, I guess. You can wear like some dark jeans or leggings or something like a little stretchy that you can dance in and still be comfortable. That looks really nice too. Also, you can wear no pants at all. For the sake of my dad who watches all my videos, I will not be showing you that option, but it's an option. I think they're really versatile, and they're really easy, like I said, to dress up or dress down, and they're comfortable, at least for me. I don't know, some girls don't like them, but I think it's a great, cheap alternative if you don't have anything to wear, and you're still gonna look trendy and cute, you know? And if you do have like a all basic outfit, you can totally accessorize, add on a furry vest, like I said, and it's gonna be warm and fun. So, great option for you also. For any kind of outfit you're going for, I always recommend accessories just because they add something extra and make your outfit kind of unique. You can have a bunch of people who have the same bodysuit as you, but you guys can all accessorize a different way and make it look totally your own. So that's what I like to do. I like to do it with bandanas. Those add something fun and it's simple. And they also are good to use as like a face mask if you need it. I also like fishnets. I feel like that's a rave girl staple, is some fishnets. I actually got rid of my last pair, so I need to buy new ones. But I don't have them to show you, but I guarantee there's gonna be hella girls wearing those. So those are really fun too. You can get different colors and different sizes, so that's fun. And then another accessory would be like a headband. I got these little 2019 and Happy New Year headbands. I might wear them, I don't know. Sometimes I get a headache with headbands, so I'm not sure. But these are cute for pictures. I will be bringing it for laughs, you know, for the gram. But just like a headband. Also, there's those headbands that have like the pom-poms on them. I know I didn't really show you guys the shoes. I recommend a comfortable shoe for this particular event though. Like by the time we get there, from the time we leave, we're only there like maybe 6 or 7 hours, which isn't that much compared to like an EDC or something. So I can get away with wearing my combat boots, and I think they look so cute with the outfit I'm going to be wearing. So I recommend something comfortable. However, it is a smaller amount of time you're there. So if you want to wear some boots or something you might not normally wear, go for it. I would say that. If you want to be comfortable, just wear some tennis shoes. I have some Vans. I don't know, some people don't like them, but I think they're comfortable enough to be in for 6 hours. So another tip I have is like layering, just bringing things you can wear inline and outside of the venue. So when it is cold, you have a little bit of protection against that. It's kind of weird protection. Let's say you're wearing a bodysuit like me and you're not gonna have pants. You could take a pair of black leggings, wear them in, take them off, roll them up. It's not that big. Stick them in your bag or in your camelback or whatever you're bringing, and it's like, you're not gonna even feel it. It's super lightweight, and that way when you leave the venue at 2 and it's freezing outside, you can throw them on and walk to your Uber or your car or whatever, and you'll feel a little warmer. That's just like a tip. You can also do that with like a small long sleeve shirt. Buy a really thin one, stick it in your bag. Look at, now I have leggings and a t-shirt and it still looks like the same size. Like, and you're gonna be warm if you need it. Because when you walk to the bathrooms, walk to get a drink, it is technically an outside venue, so you will be cold, you know? If you're not doing any substances, you might be cold. So just like if you're interested, think about that. Think about bringing something you can layer or take off or put back on, because it is kind of extreme temperatures. Outside it's really cold, and then inside the tents or the buildings, or if you're in the crowds, it's really hot. It's a tip. And then finally, for the outfits I'm wearing this year to count down, it is this bodysuit that I'm wearing right now. It's like black and sheer. There's sheer panels, but I just put on a black shirt underneath for the sake of the video. I'm not trying to show everything in here, you know, but it's black and it has gold stars on it. It has that sparkle and that shine I was talking to you about, and it's gonna be cool. I got it from iHeartRaves on their Black Friday sale. I think it was only $19, free shipping. And then I'm just pairing it with a fuzzy furry jacket and my combat boots. Well, like I said, I am showing you guys with these little booty shorts because I said like my family watches these videos and I'm not trying to like show them things they can't unsee, you you know what I mean? So for the sake of the video, I'm wearing these shorts. However, I will not be wearing them. I'm just saying, I will not be wearing them. Thank you guys for watching, and that is it for my video. Have a safe and fun New Year's Eve. Bring all those positive vibes into the new year, and I will see you guys next year.